Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. The snow has blanketed the parts of Syria, Lebanon, Turkey and Israel on Wednesday, blocking roads, disrupting traffic and postponing exams at some universities. Large parts of Syria were covered, including the capital of Damascus, which is witnessing the winter's first snowfall. Snow was as high as 15 centimeters in the mountains of Swedia provinces. Roads in some provinces were blocked. In the central province of Hama, bulldozers shoveled the snow to open the roads while the vehicles skidded on the ice, causing traffic disruptions. The University of Damascus called off the midterm exam schedule for Wednesday and Thursday in all its branches around Syria because of the extreme weather conditions. In the northwestern Syria, civil defense teams have been building dirt mounds to prevent the rain from flooding the crowded areas. Nearly 3 million displaced people live in the northwestern Syria, mostly in tents and temporary shelters. Heavy rainfall last month damaged over 190 displacement sites, destroying the damaging over the 10,000 tents. In the neighboring Lebanon, Storm Joyce hit late Tuesday with windstorm. The force of the winds were registered between 85 kilometers per hour and 100 kilometers per hour. The breaking warm spell, the storm brought heavy rainfall, a sharp drop in temperatures, and the heaviest snowfall in Lebanon this year. Snow is expected to cover areas of altitudes as low as 400 meters high, according to the meteorological department. Nearly a dozen roads in the eastern and northern Lebanon were closed because of the snow. The Israeli Meteorological Service forecast heavy thunderstorms and cold temperatures across much of the country. The snowfall at highest altitudes is expected, including in Jerusalem. Heavy snowfall covered the Israeli-occupied Golan Heights near the border with Syria. Emergency services and the Israeli electrical corporations have increased preparations ahead of stormy conditions, and they are predicting snowfall may reach up to 4 inches. Preparations are underway for snow and very stormy weather in Jerusalem and northern Israel over the next few days. The last big snowstorm in Jerusalem was in December 2013, which was one of the biggest in the city's recorded history, with the snowfall of over 50 centimeters. The snow brought down the tens of thousands of the trees, many of which fell on the electric lines and caused the power outages that lasted for days in the large parts of the Jerusalem. As a result, the Israel Electric Corporation has conducted a number of projects to bury the electric cables in the ground to prevent such outages again. Many locals in the north are also preparing for snow over the next few days, including in the places where it is not expected to snow, but authorities are still preparing for the worst. Haifa issued a warning on Monday that the stormy weather is expected to cause flooding, downed trees, and non-functioning of traffic lights, along with the collapse of retaining walls and damage along the beaches. The city has opened its storm preparations center, and City Hall's snow headquarters will be kept open. In Jordan, the COVID-19 vaccination drive was suspended due to the severe weather conditions, and schools and universities were also closed. The news agency said that the snow has reached 20 centimeters in the mountains of northern Jordan, where snowfall has been non-stop since Tuesday night. Heavy snow is expected in the capital of Amman on Wednesday. Wind exceeded 100 kilometers per hour in some areas in Jordan. In Libya, snow has blanketed the country's northeast mountains as there is continuous snowfall since Tuesday, covering the forests and the roads in some areas in the northern African country. In neighboring Egypt, heavy rain and windy weather prevailed on Wednesday and was expected to last into Thursday. Authorities in the South Sinai province, which includes tourist hubs, cancelled the tourist activities including safaris and cruises due to bad weather and storm. Heavy snowfall has gripped Istanbul in Turkey and all its waterways are shut. Snow does occur on the coastal areas of the Sea of Marmara and Black Sea almost every winter, but it usually lies no more than few days. On the other hand, it is rare on the coastal areas of Mediterranean Sea. The snow began to fall over Istanbul, Turkey's most populated city, commencing a week of projected frozen rain and fears of harsh winter. The city has not experienced this in years. The Bosphorus, the busiest waterway in the country that divides the Istanbul into two, was closed to maritime traffic as visibility dropped below the half. Istanbul City Lines, which operate passenger ships between the city's Asian and European sides, announced that they had suspended all services due to the bad weather. Though temperatures are expected to rise midweek, forecasts do not predict a sudden surge in the temperatures. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.